Okay, so I looked at one of the images where you can see variety of brand and titles were coming up, and I don't want to get into the copyright drama as such. So you get the option to actually blur those brands. So let's see, here you can see Coca-Cola and other local brands. So if you check the image, if you want to actually highlight them and manually blur them so that you are not giving them any sort of copyright issues, right? So if we create a new image and basically upload this one of the image to test out the blur effect, right? So if I upload this, let's say within download, I will just have to first get the image on the layer, right? And then I can click on edit, then I can choose the effect part for blur, right? Now here I can select the brush and choose to edit certain brands, right? So if I choose this area, then let's say I don't want this part, I can select that too, and let's say I want to remove that. So I will just again adjust, right? So blur is removed. Now let's go back to removing other particular brands. I'll just select them, right? Existing blur doesn't exist here, so it won't be removed. So you will have to say add blur, right? And the blur will be added here. And if it's not as per your setup, you can simply check again and see how much blur is there. So now this is a lot raw in my opinion, so you may have to manually zoom this and check the part, right? So let's say for this, you can see how much area we are consuming to blur, right? Make sure to not overlap with other parts, right? So whenever you are showing certain set of images on print or maybe web and want to blur for copyright reasons, you can use this particular part. You can always remove the blur, right? You can also choose to blur whole image, right? Okay, right? And then add your item. So you can always pick certain other elements, drop on the top in another layer. So that is also one more thing you can do. So if you blur entire thing or even 50% of it, it will clearly form another stage for your image, right? So this is with magic FX effect. Alternatively, you can always check other apps. So if you click on apps and then say blur, you will see frame blur, background, then many other effects. So if we pick this one and we open it, and if we try and blur the background, let's see how much we'll able to do. It should blur the sky in this particular region, keeping only certain elements, right? So as you can see, exactly as I wanted. So if I say replace the selection, here you see the background is blurred and it appears exactly how I want it, right? You can simply set the image, you can always change how it appears, right? You can also set the intensity of that blur during the app's blur feature, right? So this is much better option, right? You can do such blurs to focus on particular area. So this blur works exactly opposite to the one we used to hide the brands. So these are two magic blur options you can explore.